Do you know that you can actually trade using your Telegram app? Can actually trade cryptocurrencies, withdraw the money from Telegram to your bank account here in Nigeria using your Telegram app. All right, I know that a lot of you don't know about this, so I will be going to my Telegram app right now to show you how you can do that. So just come with me to my Telegram so that I will show you how to do everything step by step. And before we go away from this video, if you've not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification icon, and also if you have any question, drop it in the comment section of this particular video. And if you love this kind of content, still drop it in the comment section telling me, wow, I love this video, thank you very much. And also, if you're not in our Telegram group, find a way in the Telegram group. Use the link in this bio to join the Telegram group. And also, you can join the Telegram group by searching for it on Telegram using the one you are seeing in this screen, right? All right, so let's go to Telegram so that I will show you how it is done. All right, guys, so like I said, this is Telegram. So I'll be showing you in this place how you can buy crypto, sell crypto, and even trade P2P here on Telegram, right? So that is what we'll be doing right here. So if you come to your Telegram, if your Telegram is old, you can just click to update it. Once you update your Telegram, you're going to see some changes on it. For instance, if you look at my own right now, this down is where you now have all the buttons. You can see profile, settings, contact, and chat. Now, if you go to this place, is the button, the profile is no longer here. Before, the profile used to be here. There used to be three dash there, but right now it has changed. The interface has changed a bit. So try to update your own so that you can follow along with this particular video. And also, if you're not in our community, just come to Blockchainplus, search for Blockchainplus, this one, search for this one, search for this one. Let me show you this one. Yeah, so search for that one. Let me just open it up like this. You can search for this. You can see our handle right there, that is our handle right there. So search for that to join us so that you can follow in what we are doing and also be updated in what is happening in the crypto space, and especially on how to make money in crypto space as well. So let's dive right in so that we'll learn how to buy and sell crypto on Telegram, right? So now if you come to Telegram, like I said, you will see these three dots at that top right there. So you click on that three dot. Once you click on it on your own, you're going to see wallet. Now if you've not created wallet, once you click on wallet, it's going to ask you to create wallet. Just create your wallet. It is normal, you understand? So just click on the create to create your wallet. Once you create your wallet, you're going to see it like this. So you're going to see it like, so this is my own wallet. Now you can see we have crypto right here, we have Ton right here. So Telegram is powered by the Ton ecosystem. Now everything right here is what you are going to be using for your trading. So let me just come back right there like this. You can see right here we have transfer, we have deposit, we have withdrawal, we have exchange. So just like the way we have it in other exchanges, that same thing we have right here. So you can see right here, this is my wallet and this is my own account. My own account, I don't have anything right here. I used to have Ton right here, but I've sold the Ton, and that is that. So you can see the trending coins right here. You can see this is ZRO, this is Wi-Fi, this is FLR, this is BCH. If I click on more right here, you can see more coins. So why I love this platform is just because it is flexible to use, and it's also very security conscious. You understand? It has to connect with your Telegram account. You get? So this is it right there. Now, okay, so these are the assets I used to have before, but I've sold most of them. So this is it. Now, you can see here, right here, we have top losers and top gainers at the top. You can see all the assets. So you can click on all right here. You can click on all right here to see other coins. Now let's just let me just click on one. Let me just click on Ton. Let me open Ton so that you will see how their chart also is. You can see the charts of Ton. You can see address. You can see new address for Ton and all of that. So let me now go back from here and go to wallet. So that is trade. We are in trade. Let me go back to wallet. You can see that's trade. This is history. So now on my wallet, if I want to deposit, it's easy. You just click on the deposit button. Once you click on the deposit button, you can see crypto deposit. So if you want to deposit from other exchange to Telegram, your Telegram wallet, you click on crypto deposit. If you want to deposit cash, now this is where it gets interesting. You can actually use P2P Express or P2P market. You understand? So P2P Express is for beginners. Now, what this means is that they are going to be the one to do everything for you, match you with somebody who will just pay you and all of that. But let's just see how it works. So purchase in 3 simple steps. What is P2P Express? This is a cryptocurrency marketplace where only verified sellers can trade. You understand? We find the best deal for you from top traded sellers and buyers. So you don't have to do anything. They will be the one to find and recommend to you. You understand? So let's go to the P2P Express right there and see how it works. So let's say we want to buy dollar, which is USDT, and I click on continue. Let's put 50,000 right here. Okay, let me see what it's saying. Minimum amount is this. Okay, 50,000. So I put 50,000 right there and I click choose payment method, P2P Express. I'll click on choose payment method right now. So you can see 50,000 Naira is telling me it's 34 USDT I will get. I want to use money point, I want to use Kuda, I want to use Pampe, anyone I want. Search for seller. So I want to use money point. So I'll now search for seller like this. Let me see. So it's searching for seller, looking for merchant, searching. So let's see what comes up. Of course, I'm not making payment right now. So you can see they've matched me automatically with someone. You can see transfer the amount to this. You can see that's the amount. You get this price by this. This is the price they are selling for me. So once I click confirm payment, now already you can see let me see account number. You can see the account number right here. That is the account number of the person. So once I transfer this money to this person now and click confirm, they will automatically confirm for me and release the money for me. If your order is $10, please send please send 9,990. For order above $10, please add $50. This is just the person adding his conditions and whatever. But the good thing of this one is that you are going to be credited. There is no delay. There is nothing that will delay your what? Your orders. You understand? So let me just cancel. I'm not going further to make the payment. Now I've cancelled. Now that is P2P Express. Now P2P market place is where you go and search for the buyers yourself. You get, so you click on P2P market. So you click on buy. If you want to buy direct, you click on buy. If you want to sell, you click on sell. So let me say I want to sell. Let me say I want to sell right now. You can see the amount that I'm selling for. Let me open it again. So I'll now look for the person right here, but you have to be careful when searching for somebody to sell to. Now you can see one sweet thing about Telegram. You can see 10,207 trades. This person has already done over 10,000 trades and is having 100% review. This person 12,000 trades, 19,000 trade. You can see. So here we have more verified and certified people because they are verified already on Telegram before they started trading. So that is why I also recommend people to use Telegram for their P2P. All right. So that is this. So let me go back. That is for sale. Let me go to buy right now. You can see the buy. You can see the difference. The difference is very high. You can see if you're buying at 1,447. If you're selling way too cheap. That is just the difference, because on Bybit exchange, the difference is not this high. You get. So this is just how you use Telegram to do your P2P trading. Now, if you want to do your normal trading, of course, we saw all the coins right here. You can just come to trade. You can see trade right here. So that is trade. So you click on the trade right there. Then you look for the coin you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy Solana right now. Solana is $86. But before I buy Solana, already I must have funded my account. Let's say I funded with $34. I want to buy. So I click on buy, crypto deposit, buy with dollar. Of course, if I have my money already funded, I'm going to just see straight buy. So let me click on buy with dollar. Then I'll put how much I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy with 20 USDT like this. Okay, that is because I don't have any amount right now in this place. So they're asking me to deposit money for me to buy. But that is how easy it is for you to use the Telegram app to make crypto trade, to trade with crypto, to make transactions, to do your P2P. This is exactly how you use it for your trading. So I believe this video has helped you to understand how to use the Telegram wallet for crypto trading and P2P. If you have any question, if something is not clear about this, just use the comment section to drop the question and I will answer those questions for you. All right, guys, that is it for me in this video. I will see you in another video. Remain blessed.